Let me say that again. $40,000 gone, and it is not because your crews are slow or your work is bad. Your work is fine. The money is leaking somewhere you are not even looking. And by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly where, and exactly how to plug it, for free. Here's the part that stings. Your competitor across town, the one who is booking up while you are chasing invoices, they already figured this out. They are not cleaning better than you. They are running their office smarter than you. And today I am going to hand you the same 3 free AI tools they are using, plus a 4-prompt action plan you can run tonight. Stay with me all the way to the end, because the third tool is the one almost nobody in the cleaning industry is talking about yet, and it is the one that quietly changes everything. So let us talk about where the money actually goes. Picture a Tuesday morning. A homeowner calls you for a deep clean quote. You are on a job site, gloves on, vacuum running. You do not hear the phone. It goes to voicemail. That person does not leave a message. They just call the next cleaning company on Google. That one call was a $400 recurring client. Not 400 once. 400 a month, for a year or more. You just lost thousands of dollars because you were doing your actual job. Now multiply that. The average small cleaning business misses somewhere between 10 and 30 calls a week. Most of those callers never call back. If even a handful of them were ready to book, you are looking at tens of thousands of dollars walking out the door every year, silently, with no crash, no alarm, no sign that anything went wrong. That is the first leak. Missed calls and slow responses. The second leak is quoting. A potential client emails you asking for a price. You are exhausted after a full day of cleaning. You tell yourself you will send the quote tonight. Tonight becomes tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes 3 days later. By the time you send it, they have already hired someone who replied in 20 minutes. Speed wins in this business. The fastest quote, not the lowest price, usually gets the job. And right now, if you are quoting by hand at 11 at night, you are losing to whoever is faster. The third leak is the one that hurts the most, because you already paid for these customers once. It is repeat business and reviews. You clean a house, the client loves it, and then you never follow up. No thank you message. No reminder for their next clean. No ask for a review. So they forget you, or they book whoever is top of mind next time. Meanwhile, your 5-star reviews never get written because you never asked at the right moment. Your reputation stays invisible, and invisible businesses do not get found. So that is the damage. Missed calls, slow quotes, and no follow-up. Added up across a year, and $40,000 is honestly a conservative number for a lot of cleaning companies. Now here is the good news, and it is very good news. Every single one of these leaks can be sealed with free artificial intelligence tools that take an afternoon to set up. You do not need to be technical. You do not need to hire anyone. You just need to know which tools to use and what to tell them. So let us get into it. The first free tool handles your missed calls and slow replies. Think of it as a tireless assistant that lives on your phone and never sleeps. You can use a free AI chat assistant to instantly draft replies to every inquiry the second it comes in. A customer messages asking if you clean move-out apartments. Instead of that message sitting for hours, the AI writes a warm, professional reply in seconds that answers their question, gives a ballpark, and asks for their address and preferred date. You read it, tap send, done. What used to take you an evening now takes 10 seconds between jobs. Callers feel like they reached a real, responsive business, because they did. The second free tool fixes your quoting problem. You feed the AI your pricing structure once. square footage rates, add-ons for windows, deep cleans, move-outs, whatever your model is. From then on, when a lead describes their space, you paste in the details and the AI produces a clean, itemized, professional quote in under a minute. No more math at midnight. No more forgetting to send it. You go from 3 days to 3 minutes, and you look 10 times more professional than the competitor who scribbled a number on a napkin. Fast, polished quotes win jobs, and now you can send them from the front seat of your van before you even pull away. And now the third tool, the one I promised, the one almost nobody in cleaning is using yet. This is your automatic follow-up and reputation engine. You can use a free AI tool to write personalized follow-up messages and review requests, timed perfectly. The day after a clean, it drafts a friendly check-in. A week later, a gentle nudge asking how everything held up and whether they would like to book a recurring slot. And right after a job they loved, it writes the perfect short message asking for a review, with the link, in your voice. This is the compounding machine. It turns one-time cleans into monthly clients, and happy clients into a wall of 5-star reviews that pulls in new business on autopilot. Your competitors are so busy chasing new leads that they are ignoring the goldmine of customers they already served. Do not make that mistake. So those are your 3 free tools. 1 to catch every lead instantly. 1 to quote in minutes instead of days. And 1 to turn every clean into repeat revenue and glowing reviews. Now let me give you the 4 prompt action plan, the exact things you can type tonight to get all of this running. Prompt 1. Open your AI assistant and type, "Act as my cleaning company receptionist," write 5 friendly reply templates for common inquiries, move-out cleans, recurring service, one-time deep cleans, office cleaning, and quote requests. Keep each under 60 words and ask for their address and preferred date. Save those 5 replies on your phone. That is your instant response system, live tonight. Prompt 2. Type, "Here is my pricing structure," and paste it in. Then say, "Whenever I give you a job description, generate an itemized professional quote using this pricing, with a friendly closing line and a call to action to book." Now you have a quoting machine that works in under a minute. Prompt 3. Type, write 3 follow-up messages for a cleaning client, 1 for the day after service, 1 for 1 week later offering a recurring plan, and 1 asking for an online review with a link. Keep them warm and personal, not salesy. That is your reputation engine, ready to copy and paste. Prompt 4. Type, create a simple weekly checklist for running my cleaning business with AI, including responding to leads, sending quotes, and following up with past clients, so I never let money slip through the cracks again. Print it. Stick it on your wall. That is your system. That is it. 3 free tools, 4 prompts, and the $40,000 leak is sealed. The businesses that win over the next few years are not going to be the ones that clean the best. Everyone cleans well. The winners are going to be the ones who run the smartest, most responsive office, and now you have everything you need to be one of them, without spending $1 or hiring a soul. So here is my question for you, and I genuinely want you to answer in the comments. Which leak is costing you the most right now? Missed calls, slow quotes, or no follow-up? Drop a 1, a 2, or a 3 below, and if this opened your eyes even a little, hit subscribe, because the next video is going to show you how to automate your entire scheduling and crew dispatch with free AI too. I will see you there.